All right, guys. All right, guys. We are here. We have an unboxing. We are going to unbox 2 boxes. One, and we are using the HC&C tool, box opening tool, unboxing tool, Mailcall. So open this one up. This is from Mike Decherd. I'm only opening this one. Y'all seen what's in it, but I kind of want to see how the strops look, show everybody on here how the strops look, how the case is, and I'm going to be using one of these tonight. So, razors, okay. Hey, he did a really cool job. That's awesome. So the razors are in the original box that I shipped him. And then straps. So we're going to pull the strap out and just take a look at it. He handmade these. Ooh. So you'll take it, hang it like so. You'd take it, you'd hang it, and then you hold it by hand. Alright guys, sorry about that. But yeah, you can tell we're in the UPS Brown. See all that sweat, that salt coming through? Shower after this. But look at that. 5 straps, nicely made. These are all you need, guys. Really happy about it. The grain's not perfect on the leather, but it's all you need. Really great deal, guys. Really great deal. Thank you, Mike. I greatly appreciate it. Now let's open up the razors. So he made cases for the razors. Sleeves, cases, whatever you want to call them. Let me throw this in there. Some of these are mine. Some of these are the ones up for sale. This is my razor. He honed up. I needed some edges put on some razors. Nicholas Goodmanson did these scales. This is a Solingen Artraco is the brand, I think it's called. Wow, he did not have to make a case for the razor. Man, he made a case for my personal razors too. It's too nice. So this is the Woolston Home. The original lead wedge. This one has not been sold. There's 2 available, guys. This one and the FB Thomas. As a matter of fact, I'm going to try to find the FB Thomas. That's the Robeson. That one is sold. Look at that. Got my Japanese frame back. This is one of the original cases that Mike Decherd sent me. And I'm sorry, we're taking a little while on this boxing. I know y'all have seen some of this. So that one's paid for. This one is one of the new ones that hasn't been paid for yet. This is the FB Thomas. Nice little one. Full hollow, I would say 4/8 probably. Sweet little razor, great little beginner razor. Recommend it. So we got those 2. And these are the remaining ones that have sold. So we have sold 3. 2 are available, people. If you're interested, please hit me up. We will do it. $25 included shipping for here in the States. If you're international, I'll charge you whatever shipping is extra. Like say if it costs me $10 to ship to the States, it costs $25 to ship to you. You can get the razor and strap and everything for $40. So I'm only going to add, 15 to it if that's what it costs. And these are examples. I don't know what the prices are right now. The people that are buying them, when this video comes out, they will have a message saying, hey, Venmo me, PayPal me, friends and family. However you feel comfortable paying me, go right ahead. And I'll package everything up Thursday, get their address, and Friday everything will go out with tracking. All right, sorry guys. Now this next video, I'm gonna take a bunch of the peanuts out. This next box is from the Razor Company. Jason from the Razor Company and I, we were chatting. And he was gonna send me a soap, which I see on the top right here. And I told him, it's cool. I appreciate it. He's like, oh, you don't have to use it. And I'm like, dude, I'm going to use it. You send me a soap, we're using it on the channel. That's just how we do it. It was sent as a present, gift. Hey, I like you. I care about you as a person type thing. Whatever it may be. But we're going to use it, and we're going to start with it. And I told him, I was like, well, I'm going to start doing soap samples because, you know, I get soap samples, you know, from you for like $2.99 a piece, and for 30 bucks I can get 10 videos. And he's like, are they in your cart? And I was like, yeah. And he couldn't see my cart, and he's like, here you go. Here's a gift card to cover whatever that price is, and you go ahead and order what you want. Now this one, guys, I'm excited about. I kind of want to use it tonight. Ooh. Oh. Ethos honeysuckle. Very awesome. This is a good scent. What size tub is this? Is this like 7 ounces? It feels like 7. 4.5. And then it says 7.5. So I don't know which one it is, but that's a really nice jar. I mean, it's high-end soap. I like that. The only essential oil honeysuckle soap in the wet shaving world, supposedly. It's really close to Son of Honeysuckle. So I would tend to think Son of Honeysuckle has essential oils as well. I wanted to get this one. Nordic Shaving Grapefruit. Oop. So that's how the tub is. That's unfortunate, but that's okay. It's probably because it got hot in shipping and just sitting on its side. That kind of thing happens, man. It's been hot. I delivered it to myself today, but it was almost 100 degrees today. Spending, you know, sitting in those hot trucks that aren't air conditioned. Don't ask UPS drivers if they got air conditioning. Don't ask. It's not cute. It's not cute. We're not going to open it right now. Presto, Barrister and Mann. Not everything was samples in here, and I told him that. And he's like, oh, here you go. So I appreciate it, Jason. Barrister and Mann, Presto. You're not going to get an initial scent on that one. Ooh. And then I ordered a McDuff's because this one really sounded like a scent. Because I'm not buying full sets until I know. And this one I really I thought this would be a winner. Ooh, I do like that. American Vintage. Look at that fender on there. That's a fender, right? Yep, Fender Strat. Strat? Yeah. Telecaster is the other one. Alright guys, I'm super excited about this one. Super excited. So y'all know with Shannon's, I've been kind of like, scent's not strong enough. Too much witch hazel from the splash. Oh, that's nice. Now that's nice. That's plenty of scent strength. We'll smell the splash later. I did get the matching splash. I do commend Shannon's soaps with the 3-ounce tubs and 100 milliliters of splash for less than $25. Like a lot of people are charging $25 a soap right now. And you can get a set for 25 bucks. So I commend that. Highly commend that. Ooh, no, Jason, you did not. I got the magic splash. Is that splash or EDP? It's the honeysuckle. I'm not going to try to open it because I don't want this video to be too freaking long, people. This is the soap you're probably going to see today. I'm not even going to open it and smell it. Noble Otter Batters Up. We'll talk about it when I do the video. I'm not going to give you any more information on it. Alright. Look at all those samples, man. I'm excited. So I'm not going to smell them all. We're just not going to do that. We're just not. So we're getting... I tried this soap brand I never heard of. I got a few of these. Lodrino La Riviera. This is Red Letter Day from Barrister and Mann. Gatsby by Hoffman's. Nectarine Nate by Hoffman's. Hawkins and Brimble Elemi and Ginseng. I got that one because Noble Otter had seen Elemi in 2 of their soaps in the scent notes. Ooh, what brand is this? Is it? I think it's the other one. Lodrino, God Shave the Queen. And another Lodrino La Barbiera. I guess that's a barber shop. Lodrino Spring Water. It's just a brand I've never heard of, and I didn't buy all the scents, but I got all the ones that looked interesting to me. Seaforth Black Watch, I haven't smelled that one. Noble Otter Joker. Westman Shaving Adamastor, Westman Ribalta. These are exciting, guys. Can't wait to do this. This is Abbey by Murphy and McNeil, and I believe Marrow of Clare from Murphy and McNeil. So we gotta, oh, that's not good. No, that's not good at all. Okay, it didn't break. Thought it did. But anyways, we got a decent variety of soaps. You're gonna see them across all these soaps you're gonna see over the next month and a half, because I've got like 19, 20 products. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching the unboxing. And as a matter of fact, hashtag Pete down in the comments. It is a giveaway. $15 HC&C gift card. That'll be the last one of August that we're giving away. All right, guys. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Comment below if you want to enter the giveaway. Hashtag Pete. And I will catch you guys tomorrow.